and welcome to today's video. My name's Amy if you're new here, and today we're going charity shopping. Who is shocked at this point? It's literally all a film. However, today we've got a really exciting reason why I am charity shopping. So I've recently got a job with Havens Hospices, which as you guys know is like my favourite charity shop to shop in, and I've got a job on their marketing department. It is part-time at the moment, and they're going to kind of train me up, teach me the ropes, but because of this, I need some officey clothes. I've realised all my clothes are very, very casual. I literally live in trackies, so I need to go and buy some more office appropriate wear. So we're gonna go to the Basildon shops and have a little mooch, find some officey appropriate clothes. So come with me, let's see what we find. Okay, I think I already said this, but I'm in Basildon. Shock. My favourite place to charity shop. We've got, so we'll hit Scope, British Heart Foundation, Havens Hospices, Mind, Cancer Research. I might even take a trip down to St Luke's, so I never do because it's kind of out the way. And my outfit of the day, this cardie's from Cancer Research, bag is from Sense in Brentwood, and shoes are Scope, and that is the fit. I'm not gonna lie, it is far too cold to be in this sort of outfit, but I always get really hot when I charity shop, and I hate being really flustered, so I prefer to like be cold when I'm out than like fine when I'm shopping. Yes, let's go. So my dream thing to find would be like an amazing suit. I'm aware that's quite a bold thing to find. I've actually been looking for a suit for ages and I haven't found it since. But yeah, I do like a purple or a blue suit. I have found a couple on Vinted, so if I'm not successful I might order a couple on Vinted. And then just kind of like some slimmer line shirts and blouses to go with stuff. I don't think things like this might be appropriate. So yeah, just looking for like anything businessy. Okay, so no success in there. That suit was not size 18. I'd say most, maybe a 12. It didn't have a size on, so it obviously guessed, but boy did they guess wrong. And then the dress just didn't fit right. Whenever it has like built-in cups, that just doesn't work with someone with boobs, I don't think. But anyway, off to Havens Hospices now, which is not where my job is, but the charity I'm going to be working for, so. Okay, so I did really well in there, but I'm still trying on stuff, but I think I've done really well. And I filled up a whole tote bag, and there's only 2 items that aren't officey that I just bought because they were cute. Now off to Mind. Okay, so Mind had half price on all women's clothes, which I didn't actually realise, but there was a suit in there that I liked. I picked up some trousers, and there was a suit in there I liked, but I just think the colouring just wasn't right. It was like a beige, but I think it was like blend into my skin tone a bit too much. Might go back because it would work out £7 with, yeah, around £7, with £7.50 with the discount. And it is trousers, a blazer, and a waistcoat, so I might go back and get it. Okay, I went back and got the suit because I think with the tan it'll be fine, and also I need to just get over myself that I'm too pasty to wear certain colours because who cares? And I feel like with like a darker colour shirt underneath it could look quite nice. I'll show you what I got when I get back. Okay, so I'm back from the shop and I thought I'd show you what I picked up. I think I am going to do a whole separate video of styling kind of outfits for the office, so check out the clothes in that rather than doing a try on haul in this video, if that makes sense. I'm going to pick stuff up in a no kind of rhyme or reason. I'm going to pick things up and tell you how much they were, where they're from, etc. So one of the first things I picked up is this blazer. Now this was £3 from Havens Hospices. It's in a size 16. It actually hasn't got original branding. No idea. But it's just this kind of green blazer. So you can tell we're on the green hype today. It's kind of just like a pastel green blazer. I thought that was really cute. I am struggling with what to kind of style things with, but I think it's cute. So I picked that up for £3. I thought that'd be perfect for this kind of weather where it's still quite cold. The next thing I picked up was Again, this is £2 from Havens Hospices, in a size 16. I don't think this is original branding either, but it is just this really cute blouse. I'm not sure how well I can show you this off, but it's just like a button up blouse, and it's got these gorgeous flowers all over it. I think this with like a white vest top underneath could look really cute, and just with some trousers, I think that would look really nice. I've got a pair of pink trousers that I wear a lot, and also I've got a pair of pastel kind of purple ones which I think could work with these, so I've picked up all that. The next thing I picked up, not for the office, just for general life, is this dress. Now, this was £3 from Havens Hospices. It's in a size 18, and it is just this dress. Now, I'm not going to lie, I'm not sure how this does up. I think it's like a wrap dress, but it is long sleeve and looks like quite a long length dress, and I just thought that looked really cute. It reminded me of the purple one I wore on the Bernardo shoot, which is why I picked it up. I think this could be cute for holiday, and I feel like this is one that me and my mum can share. The next thing I picked up, again from Havens Hospices, this was £3 in size 16. It's originally just Primark, and it's just this really cute kind of orange and pink flowery dress. I know it's really ridiculous to be thinking about summer when it's literally foggy and raining outside, but when it gets to summer and it's really, really hot, these are the only dresses I like to wear, like proper shift dresses. Nothing is really touching you. They're really lightweight. And I just thought I liked the colour scheme on this. I think this also might be a fun one to take on holiday with me. It'll roll up small and can chuck it on over a bikini. And I think that would look really cute. The next thing I picked up is purely just I loved the colours on this. So this was £2, again from Havens Hospices, by Cotton Traders, and it's in a size 16. Now I'm thinking this with some jeans could look quite cute. I'm not sure if this is a completely ridiculous purchase because it's quite long, but I just really like the pink with the red, and I'm really on the pink and red vibe at the moment, and I think that could be cute with my pink trousers. Maybe it might be too much pink, but equally just with some jeans I feel like that might look sweet, so I picked that up. The next thing I picked up was this blouse. This is again from Havens Hospices. It was £2. It's originally just £2, so Sainsbury's, and it's in a size 16. Now this does have a little stain on, but I'm hoping going through the wash it will get the stain out. But I just thought this is a really, really cute shirt that I could wear for work with some black trousers, and it's just covered in daisies. And I just thought, you know, I don't want to be wearing boring stuff to work. I still want to be wearing fun things, so I thought this was really cute and quite summery, but equally it is long sleeve, so would be fine for the moment. And I think this is some black trousers, it could look really cute. And then I picked up again from Havens Hospices. Is anyone shocked? I used my gift card for all this stuff as well. I've still got gift cards left over from my birthday and Christmas. So this was purchased with my charity shop gift card, all the Havens Hospice stuff. So this was £2, size 14. Hopefully it will fit. It is just this really cute like green little midi skirt. I'm thinking this could work for work, but it could just work for, you know, day to day. I think that's really cute. Again, would be cute for holiday, so I picked that up. I promise I am nearly done. This is a chunky haul, but I needed stuff. I kind of did need some stuff. So the next thing's both from Mind, and Mind had 50% off all of the women's clothes. So these were originally £4, I got them for £2. They're originally St Michael's, good old St Michael's, and in a size 18. And they are just these kind of greeny, bluey, grey trousers. I think these could potentially work with the flowery shirt, and they are just kind of a normal leg trouser. I'm really hoping these fit me. I do struggle with kind of worky trousers fitting my hips, my bum and my waist, because quite often they don't really have any stretch. So we'll try these. If they work, they work. If they don't, they're only £2. I can just redonate. But I picked up them. And then finally from Mind, this is the only thing that I was a bit like, I didn't get initially and then went back and brought, especially because they had their half price sale. That kind of enticed me to buy it. So it was £15 originally for the whole thing, but I actually got it for £7 as they're doing their half price sale. So essentially it is a suit. I did find a suit. The only thing I'm not sure on is the colouring on this, because it's kind of like a yellowy beige, and I'm not sure if it suits my skin tone too much, but I think with a tan this could work. So these are the trousers. They are all actually in different sizes, and they are from Primark. So the trousers are a size 18, which to be fair is probably good because they'll hopefully have room on the leg. And then it also comes with a little waistcoat. The waistcoat is in a size 18 as well. Not sure if I'll wear the waistcoat. I know they're on trend. Not sure if they're me. But it does come with the waistcoat. And then finally it comes with the blazer. The blazer is in a size 16, and as I said, I got this all for £7.50. I think this with maybe like a brown high neck bodysuit could look quite cute, but then equally with like a shirt underneath, I think could work as well. But I'm super excited to try all this stuff on, and I am really excited to start my job. I'm a little bit nervous. I feel like it's my first like proper, I even call it my big girl job, because it's like working in an office and kind of that vibe, which I've not done before. Obviously I've always been in beauty, so to go for something completely different is kind of a bit scary, but I feel like I will be good for it, and I'm really excited to kind of let my creativity flow and hopefully help out in any way I can. But that's it for today's video. As I said, look out for the styling office outfits video. I will hopefully try and get that up after this one, so subscribe so you don't miss that, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.